4 simple equation. In an equation, there is always an equality sign. The equality sign shows that the value of LHS is equal to the value of RHS. LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. I have written here two examples. This side is left hand side, this is right hand side. Here you can see that here there is a symbol of greater than. So this is not our equation. Equation will always have equal to sign and it divides the sum into two parts, that is LHS and RHS. Exercise 4.1, question 1. First we will start with the method 1 where we just have to substitute the given value inside the equation given. Here you can see this is our equation as it has equals to sign. And it divides the question into two parts, that is left hand side and right hand side. Now this is our question. Here the value of x is given to you is 0. So जहाँ पर x है in left hand side where we have x, instead of this x we will just write the value given, that is 0. Now what is 0 plus 3? 3. Then we have to tally with our RHS. What is our RHS? 0. Is 0 and 3 are equal? No. Therefore, no. Then we have the second one, that is 5x is equals to 25. The value of x given here is minus 5. So let us start with LHS. What is our LHS? 5x. This 5 is as it is. Instead of x, I will write the value given, that is minus 5. 5 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 25. But my right hand side we have is 25. Is 25 and minus 25 are equal? No. Therefore, no. Last one, that is 11th one, m upon 3 is equals to 2. This is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. The value of m given here is 6. So, first we will write left hand side, then we will substitute m is equals to 6. What is 6 divided by 3? 2. What is my RHS? 2. Are they equal? Yes. Therefore, my answer is yes. Question 2 is to be done with the same method. The question is, see, 7n plus 5 is equals to 19. This is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. This value is also given in the question. So wherever we see n, we just have to write 2. We will start with LHS. LHS is equals to 7n plus 5. Just we are considering this left hand side. Instead of n, I will write 2. What is 7 2s are 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5 is 19. This is our RHS after solving LHS. So this answer and this answer are matching? Yes. That is RHS is equals to 19 is already given in the question. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, yes. Similarly, D. 4p minus 3 is equals to 30. The value of p is 1. We will start with LHS. 4p minus 3. Instead of p, I will write 1. 4 ones are 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So here the RHS is equals to 30. But what is the RHS given to us? What is the RHS given to us is 30. So this 30 and our answer does not match. Therefore, we can say that LHS is not equals to RHS. What is LHS? 1. 1 is not equal to 30. Therefore, no. Question 3. Solve the following by trial and error method. Trial and error method, in this we just have to try with the different values of p. इक्वल्स टू 2। तो अब मुझे जहां पर p दिखाई देता है वहां पर मैं क्या लिखूंगी 2। 5 2 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. This 12 is again not equal to 17. Then I will move further and take the value of p as 3. 5 multiplied by 3 plus 2, that is 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. So now this 17 is equals to the RHS. So here we can say that the value of p is equals to 3. So this is how we will solve the sum by trial and error method. As we are trying with different numbers, the name of the method is trial and error method. Question 4. Write the equation for the following statement. Now comes the very important part of this chapter, is forming the equation. The first step of the chapter is forming the equation. For that, you must know and understand the question. This thing is very helpful while solving the problem. So please do concentrate and learn. Here, the first question is, the sum of number x and 4 is 9. The sum means addition. x and 4. किसका sum? x and 4 का जो sum है is 9. So this is how we had formed the equation from the statement. Again I repeat, the sum means addition. The sum of x and 4 means x plus 4 is 9. Second one, 2 subtracted from y. 2 subtracted from y. So y minus 2 is 8, means equals to 8. This all these terms you will come across while solving the problem. Then we have is 3/4 of t. 3/4, all of you know it is 3/4 of t, means 3/4 t is 15. Is means equals to 15. Again 3/4 of t means 3/4 multiplied by t is equals to 50. Then we have is, if you take away 6 from 6 times y, this is again a new term. When I say 6 times y means 6 multiplied by y. 6 times y means 6y. Subtract, यहाँ पे क्या टर्म दिया है? Take away 6 means subtract 6. So 6y minus 6 is equals to 16. Again, if you take away 6 from 6 times y, okay, मतलब 6 times y में से when we take out 6, we get the answer 16. Then we have is, if you add 3, आप सबको पता है means plus 3 to 1/3 of z means 1/3 z plus 3, you get 30, means equals to 30. Question 5 is, equation is given and you have to form the statement. So question 5 you have to solve by yourself, and question 6 again we will solve in exercise 4.4. It is just set up an equation, so we will solve along with 4.4. Exercise 4.2 is entirely dependent on solving an equation. In this chapter, we have two methods for solving an equation. Here, the question is 3p minus 10 is equals to 5. So, we just have to neutralize this minus 10. So, to neutralize this minus 10, what I will do is plus 10. So, just I will table. So the name of this method is adding or subtracting both the sides. And here, please see that we LHS is solved on one side and RHS is done on another side. That is 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. When you will see the relation between this and this, you would be confused. So this type of sum you have to look and solve like this way. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको यही याद रखना है कि whatever we are doing on left hand side, the same thing we have to do is on right hand side. Based on this, let us start with exercise 4.2. Question 1 to question 4 is to be done with the same method. So I will just solve one sum from each and every question. Question 1e. Y minus 4 is equals to minus 7 is given in the question. We just have to find out the value of y using adding or subtracting method. Here मुझे क्या करना है, -4 को हटाना है, तो मैं क्या करूंगी, +4. So -4 plus 4 on both the side. तो यहाँ पे जो हम कर रहे हैं वो लिखना है, because it is told in the question give the first step. So add 4 to both the sides. Now -4 plus 4 कट हो जाएगा, तो अभी इस साइड पे मेरे पास क्या बचा है, y is equal to what is -7 plus 4. This we have studied in chapter 1. The different signs subtract and sign of bigger number. So my answer is -3. Now कभी कभी आपको confusion होगा कि whether my answer is correct or not. So you can even check your answer by substituting the value of y is equals to -3 in the question. कैसे करना है, जैसे हमने एक्सरसाइज 4.1 में क्वेश्चन 1 में किया था वैसे ही. y -4, तो y की जगह पे हम क्या लिखेंगे, -3. What is -3 minus 4? Same sign, adding and sign of bigger number. Here -3 minus 4 is -7, which is again equals to our RHS, which means that my answer is correct. Question 2e. 8y is equals to 36. This 8 is in multiplication position, तो उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए what I will do is divide both the sides by 8. That is 8y divided by 8 on both the sides. 8 कट हो जाएगा, अभी इस साइड पे क्या बचा है, सिर्फ 1. 36 divided by 8, that is 4 9s and 4 2s. So 4 would be removed as 4 is the common factor. Now I just have with me is 9/2. Now again to check whether my answer is correct or not, what I will do is 8y. So 8 instead of y I will write 9/2. 9/2. On swapping, that is 2 4s are 8. I have 4 9s are 36, which is equal to our RHS, which means that my answer is correct. Question 3b. 3p/10 is equals to 6. We just have to find out the value of this p. So what I will do is first to neutralize this 10, which is in division position. पहले हमें देखना है कि कौन सी पोजीशन में है, उसका ऑपोजिट ऑपरेशन करना पड़ेगा. So as this 10 is in division position, what we are doing is multiply both the sides by 10. Multiply by 10, multiply by 10. ये 10 और ये 10 न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा, आंसर इज 1. So अभी मेरे पास क्या बचा है इस साइड में, जस्ट 3p. 6 10s are 60. Okay, now I want to remove this 3. तो ये 3 की पोजीशन क्या है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 है, तो हटाने के लिए हमें क्या करना है, डिवाइड बाय 3. So what I will do is divide by 3 on both the sides. तो जो हम करते हैं वो ब्रैकेट में लिखना है, divide both the sides by 3. 3 1s are 3, इसलिए कट हो जाएगा. 60 divided by 3 is 20. Therefore my answer is p is equals to 20. Question 4d. -p/3 is equals to 5. position. To neutralize it, we will multiply by 3 on both the sides. This 3 and this 3 would be removed, so I just have minus 3 with me. 5 3s are 15. Minus p is equals to 15, therefore p is equals to minus 15. Actually, we are dividing by minus 1 on both the sides. Now, here again, after solving, you can check your answer. Minus p upon 3 is our question. p की वैल्यू हमें क्या मिली है? minus 15. So minus p की जगह पर we will write minus 15. Minus outside there is again minus, so it is 15 upon 3, which is 5, which is again equal to our RHS, which means that my answer is correct. This is how we will solve exercise 4.2. 4.3 is completely based on the second method of solving an equation. The name of this method is transposing method. You can select the method of your choice, that is addition or subtracting on both the sides, or you can select from transposing. Now let us see how to solve an equation using transposing method. We have the question with us that 5x plus 12 is equals to 27. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, जो वेरिएबल की हमें वैल्यू निकालनी है, सिर्फ उसी को हम LHS में रखेंगे, और उसके अलावा जो कुछ भी है 1 by 1 we will shift on LHS. ओके, तो जैसे पहले मुझे प्लस 12 को हटाना है, तो मैं यहाँ से उठा के I will keep on another side of equal to, that is RHS. तो प्लस 12 जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में था, वहां से मैंने उठा के राइट हैंड साइड में लिया है. तो जब हम whenever we are shifting a number from left hand side to right hand side, इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा. जैसे प्लस 12 है तो क्या हो गया? माइनस 12. ओके, now what is 27 minus 12? 15. Now I just want to find out the value of x. तो उसके साथ एक्स्ट्रा क्या है? 5. तो ये 5 जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, when it goes to the right hand side, it will go to the division position. Now what is 15 divided by 5? 3. तो ट्रांसपोजिंग में आपको यही याद रखना है कि we are shifting from left hand side to right hand side, or from right hand side to the left hand side. बट याद क्या रखना है, जो है उसका उल्टा हो जाएगा जब आप शिफ्ट करते हो तब. So that is transpose plus 12 from left hand side to right hand side, it will become minus 12. Exercise 4.3, solve the following using transposing method. Question 1a, 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equals to 37 upon 2 is our question. So first we will transpose this plus 5 upon 2 from left hand side to the right hand side, so it will become minus 5 upon 2. As it is a like fraction, we can do the subtraction directly, that is 37 minus 5 is 32 upon 2. Now what is this? 32 upon 2 is 16. Now I just have 2y is equals to 16. Now I will transpose this 2, which is in multiplication position, to the division position on the another hand. So I get the value y is equals to 8. So here we have transposed plus 5 upon 2 from left hand side to the right hand side, and multiply by 2 from left hand side to the right hand side. Question 2a, 2 bracket x plus 4 bracket closes is equals to 12. This sum can be done by two different methods. First, this 2 which is in multiplication position will go to the division position. 12 upon 2 is 6. Now this plus 4 I will take to another side, that is right hand side, so it will become minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Second step is, here you solve this bracket here on the left hand side only. That is 2 multiplied by x is 2x. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. That is 2x plus 8 is equals to 12. Plus 8, when it goes to another side, it becomes minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now I have 2x is equals to 4. This 2 which is in multiplication position will go to the division position. So I have x is equals to 4 upon 2, that is 2. Question 3 is to be done with the same transposing method, but to confuse you, they had given the variable on the right hand side, but the method remains the same. Here the question is 4 is equals to 5 bracket p minus 2 bracket closes. First we will solve the bracket, that is 5 multiplied by p is 5p. 5 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 10. This minus 10, when it goes to another side, it becomes plus 10. 10 plus 4 is 14 is equals to 5p. But I want to find out the value of this p only. So this 5 which is in multiplication position, when it goes to another side, it becomes divided by 5. That is p is equals to 14 upon 5. Question 4 is construct the equation. That is a solution is given. X is equals to 2 is the solution given, and from the solution we have to form the equation. For this you just have to remember that to reach the equation we have to do the operation on both the sides. That is on left hand side and also on right hand side. Let us start, that is multiply by 3 on both the sides. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. So what I will do is multiply both the sides by 3. That is 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. This is also an equation. You can stop here. But I have found another equation, that is add that to both the sides. That is 3x plus 10 is equals to 6 plus 10 is equals to 60. This is how we will reach to the equation from the solution. This is my solution and this is my equation. You can form many equations of your choice from the solution, that is x is equal to 2. Question 2c. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell too short of a double century. How many runs did each one score? Here you are told in the question that Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So we will assume that let the runs scored by Rahul be x. Then runs scored by Sachin is equals to 2x. Why we have taken 2x? That is, it is told in the question that Sachin scored twice the runs scored by Rahul. और राहुल का ही क्यों x लिया? क्योंकि आपको कैसे बोला है क्वेश्चन में कि राहुल से दुगने स्कोर किए हैं. So we will assume Rahul to be x and Sachin to be 2x. Together the runs fell too short. Together means addition. Together the runs fell too short. Too short means minus 2 of a double century. Double century is 200. Too short means minus 2. 200 minus 2 is 198. 2x plus x is 3x. On solving, we get the answer that x is equals to 66 runs. पर ये x क्या है हमारा? Runs scored by Rahul. Therefore, runs scored by Rahul is equal to x is equals to 66 runs. Runs scored by Sachin हमने क्या assume किया था? 2x. That is 2 multiplied by 66 is equals to 132 runs. On adding these 2 runs, you will again get the answer 198. father's age. Here you are asked to find out what is Lakshmi's age. So we will start our solution with let Lakshmi's age is equals to x. Then you are told in the question that Lakshmi's father's age is equals to 49 years. It is clearly given in the question. Then you are told that he means Lakshmi's father is 4 years older. 4 years older means plus 4. Then 3 times the Lakshmi's age. Lakshmi's age क्या है? X. 3 times x means 3x. तो हमारा इक्वेशन क्या हुआ? That is 3x plus 4 is equals to 49. That is he is 4 years older than 3 times the Lakshmi's age. Then plus 4 when it goes to another side by transposing method it becomes minus 4. 49 minus 4 is 45. 3 multiplied by 3 when it goes to another side it becomes divided by 3. So 45 upon 3 we have x is equals to 15. पर हमारा x क्या था? Lakshmi's age. Therefore the Lakshmi's age is 15 years. Here also you can check your answer. What is the value of x? 15. 15 multiplied by 3 is 45. 45 plus 4 is equals to 49. So this is how we will solve the equation